How to use Monday.com time tracking. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to add time tracking and of course use time tracking on your board on Monday.com. So as you can see here, I have time tracking available on one of my tasks over here. So let me remove this for now. And to be able to find this, you can click on add column. You might see that time tracking is not available over here, so what I would recommend is that you just simply search it and you will be able to see here time tracking as a column. And there we go, we have our time tracking over here. Now, what time tracking is used for is to time how long you've been dealing with one task. So since in myday.com you can manage and do specific tasks, having time tracking just like this will allow us to time ourselves and time how long we've been working on a specific task. And it's just as simple as that. It's just simply tracking how long you've been working. And once you're done, it's going to record, as you can see, 12 seconds. And you can continue it just like that. And you can also see that there is a time tracking log over here that would appear when it is activated, how long, and when's the next time it is activated. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.